The last class we are discussing the file operation, how to close, how to open the file. But today we are discussing how to reading and writing operation on files. We are discussing there are three types of modes in file handling, that is read, write and append mode. R for reading, W for writing, A for appending. We are discussing in the last class, whenever reading the file pointer, suppose you are creating a file abc.txt and the content is suppose welcome, the file pointer is pointing to the first positions. Whenever you are writing, if the file is exist, you are opening that file, if the file is exist, suppose you are written something new, it is overwrite. Suppose I am written Python. The file is starting from the first location to overwrite all the content. If the file does not exist, if the abc.txt does not exist, it creates a new file. It creates a new file and starting from the first locations. And whenever you appending a file, appending means add something. Appending means add something. Adding means what? Suppose you have written Python, that adding means Python is a programming. The adding in the last. If the file does not exist, the file is created a new file and the content starting from the first. These are the basic operations of file handling, reading, writing and appending mode. The reading and writing operation, what are the functions are available in reading and writing operation? The functions of reading and writing operation is what? First, writing operation, write function, write lines function, this is only for writing. Reading purpose, read functions, read line function, read lines function, read lines function. These functions are reading. Clear? And appending means what? Only for appending, add new record in the file. So first we will discuss the read, how to write into the file. The two options, the two functions are available, write and write lines. How you write into a file. So already you know that how to open a file. First you have to create a file and how to open the file. So you need a file pointer. F is equal to open member functions and you are opening a file abc.txt file and you are putting the write mode. This means this line tells abc.txt file already exists. If it is exist, the content write from the beginning. If this file does not exist, that the file creates a new, that is called abc.txt and write from the starting. It is what? The file is opening in a writing mode. Suppose I am writing f.write, suppose welcome. I am writing welcome. Print, you have to print that file, print F. Print F. Clear? So now the file is created. What? abc.txt and this file is containing welcome. Here, this file is containing welcome. Okay, this is write. Write means only single line. Write means only to write a single line. Clear about it? Suppose I am writing multiple lines means what? Line functions. Write lines functions. In write line functions, you have to take the multiple text through the list or dictionaries. Suppose I am taking f is equal to open abc.txt of write mode. I am taking list is equal to biology, chemistry, computer, biology, chemistry. These three text display on multiple lines. Suppose I am writing f dot write lines of list. F dot write lines of list. The output will be displayed computer, bio and chemistry. Clear? Write means single lines. Write line means multiple lines. Clear about it? First, you have to create a file, then write something into that file using that write and write lines functions. These are the operations of writing a file. Read. You have, suppose you have a file abc.txt, you have a file, you are creating a abc.txt file, it is written suppose computer, biology and chemistry. You are creating abc.txt file, and that content is computer, biology and chemistry. Now you want to reading this file. So what are the operations are available? First is read functions. Second is read line function. Third one is read lines functions. So already you are creating a file abc.txt. Inside the abc.txt you have a computer, biology and chemistry. The text. Now you want to reading into that file. So first is what? First you have to open that file. So you open that file. What is the syntax? F is equal to open abc.txt. The mode is what? Reading mode. The mode is what? Reading mode. Put a quotations. Then the file already exists, abc.txt. Now you want to read it that file. So f.read functions. F.read functions means it reading the first line, single line. Reading means what? It read a single line. Read means single line. Suppose I am putting a parameter that is a 5 characters. That f.read 5 means it read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The output is COMPU. Again you are writing f.read of 6 characters. Already the cursor is pointing to that U. Again that 6 character TER, the space is taking. So it is put at TUR. Only single characters, only single line. Read the single line. Here the space is also a character. Space is also 3 character TER, then 3 spaces it read. 3 spaces read. 6 characters you are reading. That means first the file is reading 5 characters, then the cursor is pointing to the 5 character, then it reads onwards 6 characters. That means read function to read a single line. Then read line functions. Suppose I am writing, you are opening that file reading mode, f dot read line of what? I am taking that suppose list. What list of computer, biology and chemistry. F1 dot read line list means read lines. Suppose there is no parameters. Read lines, suppose I am taking a read line functions only of that string, only read line functions. It reads whole line. It reads whole lines. There is no parameter in the read line. Read line means only reading a one line at a time. That means read means to read a single line, and you can pass the parameter in that line. Read lines means at a time one line is read. Again, suppose I have read line, then bio is reading. Read line, then chemistry is reading. Then suppose I have read lines. The output is the whole line that computer, biology, chemistry. Computer, biology and chemistry. It reads the whole text. The whole text it will read. The first is what? Read functions. Only read a particular characters. Read line, reading a whole line at a time. And read lines, read the whole text, whatever that contain, whatever you are creating that file, the whole text is reading into the read line functions. Clear about it? So first is what? I am giving an example. To take an example, first suppose you are getting that first f is equal to open. Suppose I am writing hello dot txt. Already that hello dot txt in writing mode. First to write something in that file. F dot write. Suppose I am writing, it is a programming language. It is a programming. It is a programming. This it is a programming is written in a hello.txt file. Now you have closed that file. F dot close functions. Now the file is closed. Now this file is created as a hello.txt. Hello.txt, and this is written as it is a program. It is a program. Now you have to read that file. So again you have to open that file. F dot open hello dot txt in reading mode. Reading mode. Then you read that file. F dot read whole lines or read lines, or you can say read line also. The multiple lines you can read. Then read functions. Then f dot read f dot close functions. Close functions. So in a single program, you are opening a file, write something into that file, then what are the reading operations into that file. So what functions you are learned? That reading and writing operation, the functions, the first function is what? First is the writing operation, write function, then write line function, then read functions, read line function, read line functions. So these are the basic operations on a text file, how to write and how to read into that files. So next class we will discuss about the more programs on text files. Thank you.